Hey, I am Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you stopping by. And yes, I am the ultimate beef-loving Texan for the Texas Beef Council. But today, we're cooking up chicken, guys. You gotta have a little chicken in your life every once in a while. Let's get it tied up. You can see a lot of videos of me doing this a lot of different ways. I do it just by tucking the legs into the skin, tucking the wings in the side of the chicken after cutting slits in it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna wrap it around my legs, all right? And I'm gonna come back and I've got it nice and tight. Then I'm gonna pull it up front. Once I'm up front, I'm gonna wrap it just overhand loop 1, 2 times. Make sure you've caught your wings in here so that it cooks uniformly. When you're cooking a whole chicken, guys, you want it to be uniform. So here we go. Wing is in. That's there. And by doing it twice, that just kind of helps it hold in place, is what that does. But it's there. I'm going to come back, tie another loop. It's done. Now all I have to do is cut my strings. That's ready to go. I can come back in now and do my finish coat of Dirty Bird. Get my sides good now. Let's get this side good. And if we were doing a turkey, it would be the exact same process, guys. Just a little bit bigger, right? There we go. That's a nice package. Make it look like a football, right? There it is. We got the Primo set up for an offset cook, set running about 300 degrees with some post oak. Let's get it on. A great meal. Give this a try at the holidays. Roast you up a chicken. Remember, oven works the same way. Put it in your oven, cook it in there after you've brined it. Or on the pit. I like the smoke flavor, so mine are going on the pit. But hey, have a great holiday season. We appreciate it. Thanksgiving, Christmas, guys, y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a Merry, Merry Christmas. Thanks for stopping by. I always do appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm almost to 75,000. I think I'm at 74,000 subscribers, so help me get to that 100,000 mark if you would. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. I'm Chef Johnny, the ultimate beef-loving Texan, and we're going to see y'all down the road. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.